Imagine a simple shot, a vaccine you get to prevent a painful rash. Could also protect your brain, slow down dementia, and even lower the risk of dying from it. It sounds almost too good to be true, but this is the remarkable finding emerging from new research on the shingles vaccine. For a while now, scientists have suspected a link. They suggested that the shot could lower the risk of developing dementia in the first place. But now, exciting new studies show it might do even more. For people who already have dementia, the vaccine could actually slow the disease's progression. This is a discovery that brings a huge wave of hope to millions of families all over the world. So how did they figure this out? Researchers in Wales looked at the health records of over 200,000 people who were 79 and 80 years old. Here's the clever part. Those born just before a certain cutoff date were offered a free shingles vaccine, while those born just a few days later were not. This created two nearly identical groups to compare, and the results were astounding. The group that got the vaccine didn't just have a lower risk of developing dementia. For those who did have dementia, the disease progressed more slowly, and they had a lower risk of dying from it. Now, it's important to remember this is an observational study. We need more research to prove this is a direct cause and effect relationship. But the findings are incredibly promising and have experts excited. So, what's the theory here? Why would a shingles vaccine protect the brain? Well, shingles is caused when the chickenpox virus you had as a kid reactivates. This leads to that notoriously painful rash. The idea is that by preventing this reactivation, the vaccine also reduces inflammation in the body and brain. And it's this chronic inflammation that's believed to be a major contributor to dementia risk. For people like Phyllis Burr, this research is deeply personal. She started noticing signs of cognitive decline when she was just 48. Now 66, she carries the heavy weight of a family history with dementia. Both her grandmother and her mother were affected. She sees the shingles vaccine as a new line of defense, not just for herself, but for her children too. She said, "This study is so hopeful to me. If this vaccine could prevent or slow dementia for my kids, wouldn't that be amazing?" Of course, doctors are quick to remind us of the other proven ways to protect our brain health. Things like regular exercise, getting your hearing checked, staying socially active, and keeping your mind stimulated are all crucial. But now, some medical professionals are starting to think about adding the shingles vaccine to that preventive toolkit. The key takeaway is this: while there's no single magic bullet to prevent dementia, we're discovering that the shingles vaccine might play a surprising and powerful role. It's a remarkable intersection of preventative care and hope, showing us how science continues to find unexpected ways to protect our health. For the millions of families who live with the worry of dementia, these findings offer a bit of reassurance, a sense of possibility, and a real reason to look to the future with more optimism. The story of the shingles vaccine is more than just a medical breakthrough. It's a powerful message of hope. It's a reminder that even small, simple actions can have life-changing effects. Thanks for watching. If you found this information hopeful and interesting, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content that explores the latest in health and science. See you next time.